J Reed birding. This is 25 birds. And that is a prairie warbler. New for the year. And I'm in Tazewell County. And I should be able to hammer down 25 birds pretty easy. This is the evening edition. Nice park. I think it's called Spring Creek Preserve. Haven't got pictures of a single bird yet. Try to get this prairie warbler first. Blue-gray gnatcatcher. Eastern towhee. Tough to titmouse. See what's here. Pretty cool spot. Never been here before. Prairie warbler, spectacular bird. Finally got a couple pictures, a couple short videos. He will land, call, take off. Land, call, take off. Bop, 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 bop. But when you get a chance to see it, awesome. Cool black markings on the face, upper body, yellow. New Year bird. I gotta get more birds. I only have 10 because I've been spending time trying to get that. Prairie warbler. Eastern towhee. Who knows what else is here? Northern cardinal. Good addition. New Tazewell County bird. Let's keep it going. '15th bird, downy woodpecker. Northern Parula, bird 21. Black-capped chickadee, bird number 22. 3 more birds. Running low in sunlight. Can't get a crow, turkey, vulture, nothing? Scarlet tanager, 25th bird. Did it. 25 birds, Tazewell County, including a yearbird, prairie warbler. All 25 birds right here. And some of the county checked off. I'm trying to bird the river on the way home, but I'll be out in Tazewell County soon. So I love this spot for prairie warbler. A couple of them, I think. I'll put down one because I'm sure of it. But, pretty awesome. All right, we're done.